Hi, I'm Tony Bowen, and welcome to my Corn Country Rails. Well, I wanted to give you a little update on the HO Rock Island collection that I have. Since a week ago, since I posted a video, I have sold a lot of the collection. So I can't thank you enough for those of you that have contacted me and have ordered stuff and it's already been out the door, or those of you that have contacted me and unfortunately you've gotten an email back from me saying, I'm sorry, we've sold out of the grain hoppers, or I'm sorry, we have no more flat cars with John Deere tractors or crawlers or cranes on them. Those things were extremely popular and those sold out of the collection really fast. However, I do still have a lot of the collection still here, and so I thought I would just give an update to say kind of where I'm at with the collection. So, my local post office has done a great job of getting me boxes and has probably gotten tired of seeing me already. The biggest problem I'm having right now is I don't have enough packing peanuts. So I've kind of put an all call out for packing peanuts. So I have several orders on the floor of items that people are buying, but I just don't have the packing peanuts to get them ready to go and ship out. And thank you, those of you that have made an order from me, being patient and understanding that I'm still working full time as a second grade elementary teacher. So I'm only working on this collection from about 5 to 9 in the evenings and then on the weekends. Now, these boxes, these are the inventoried cars that are selling, and I've gotten rid of probably 3 good sized boxes over the weekend and last week, but there are still plenty to have. And also, I have 8 paper boxes, there's 4 here, that I'm guessing I have probably close to 760 cars that have not been inventoried, and they will be seen when I take them to train shows starting after the first of the year. For the N-scale items, the box underneath has N-scale cars. There's about 64 or 65 cars left. I start off with 24 N-scale engines. That's all I have for the N-scale engines, so they have gone over pretty well this week. Cabooses, I still have a lot of cabooses, both loose cabooses and boxed ones that are still available. And then obviously a lot of different loose engines that are available or people have inquired about, or some people have inquired about them, said that they were interested in them. I held them back for them and then found out that they wanted a different engine. So some things that were marked on the inventory as sold have now come back and are back on the inventory. And so there's still quite a few boxed engines as well. The Proto 2000s, a few of those sold over the weekend, so that was nice to also get some of those mailed off as well. So a few people have asked me about the train shows after the first of the year because they're interested in these loose cars in HO that I've not inventoried. And so I'll give you those dates and I'll give you those locations so that if you're in the eastern Iowa area or western Illinois, you can hit me at those train shows and see what I have. First one I'm going to is a 2-day show in Monticello, Iowa. It is February 4th and 5th, and it's on the Monticello Fairgrounds. The next show that I will be going to is in March. It is March 4th. It is on the Dubuque County Fairgrounds in Dubuque, Iowa, and it is held by an NMRA division, the Southwestern NMRA division, and it's basically what they call their model railroad garage sale. And so it is essentially a 1-day show. I believe it opens like 9 in the morning, and usually by 2 in the afternoon, it's kind of done and over with. And so it's more of a, not a traditional train show, but more of that swap and garage sale type prices at a train show. And then the last one that I have scheduled so far is March 25th and 26th, and it is in Rockford, Illinois. It is through the Rock River NMRA division, and that is a 2-day show at the Harlem High School in Rockford, Illinois. So all those, I believe you can look up online and find out more information about them. If you can't find out enough information about them, please feel free to send me an email and I can send you what I have when I registered for them. So anyway, Thanks as always for watching. Thanks for supporting this collection, because obviously it's helping support this family who is looking to find new and nice homes for this railroad equipment and that, and it certainly helps me out. And most importantly, thank you for being patient through all this. Some of the emails of people that are sharing their condolences and that, I really appreciate that. But more importantly is also just the patience of people understanding that, yep, these are nice discount type prices and better than maybe train show type prices, but also that understanding of, I'm only being able to get to the post office once a week because my school hours and our post office hours don't really work well together. So I try to get to that post office right away on Saturday morning and mail everything off. So thank you for just being patient and understanding that if you make an order on Monday, that item might not get shipped until the end of the week. So I really appreciate that. So thank you so much again for watching. I hope everybody takes care and stays healthy, and we'll talk with you real soon.